Okay, y'all. Let's get this camera together. Let's look. Christmas. They winding it down on the Christmas, y'all. Oh, I actually love this. $12 for that one. How much for this one? $10. I'll try these. So yeah, I got some tea over here. Like this one. Look, y'all. Look who's behind me. Look who's behind me. You like those? Yeah. Those are cute. Oh, good, y'all. Look what he buying me. Since the other one's that thick. I freaking love this. That is so cute for my baby. Alright, guys. I just wanted to come back and show you my new stools. They are so freaking cute. Let me pull it out for you. They are from Nautica Home. They were $199.99, and I love them. Look at that. Look at that. The style. Look at the bottom. Like, look at how gorgeous this looks. Look at the back. Look at the back, yeah. It wraps around both sides. And yes, they fit perfect. Now, I showed y'all the other ones. But these, they're perfect. They're perfect. You two people can fit comfortably. They're strong. So guys, I straightened back up, washed all the dishes. I got my shrimp soaking in water, my salmon thawing out, broccoli. I gotta get the rice. Right here is where my glasses are for me and my friend, me and Bestie. I'm gonna light some candles. Let me turn my lamp on for a little ambiance. Turn my candle on. Okay. And then I'm gonna light a couple of candles. That one right there, and one up there. Well, two up there. So yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower, and yeah, it's back. This is what they always do, y'all. So yeah, I gotta turn this heat on so I can jump in the shower, but I'll be back in a few minutes. Flipping gorgeous. Yes. Let's get another view. Let's get another view of them. Look at the color. Look at the material. Look at that. They're just gorgeous. And that back, honey. That's like I told my husband, I wish I would have got one more for right there, but I might still get it. And just put it on the side and get that chair out of here. Get rid of that chair. I'm done with it. Have another stool over there just to have. You still can eat You might, and you still can put your foot on there on that side too. So yeah, I might get one more. Try to exhume all the spaces I can get. But yes, yo, look at that. They are gorgeous. Like I said, they are from Nautica Home. I got them from Home Goods. $1.99 each. And I love that. Look at that. Look at that material. And the color. Just perfect. Alright, y'all. I'll be back in a minute. Let me get this living room together. Alright, y'all. I am back. I done took a shower, got cleaned up, got my stool, got it nice and set up, got my drinks in the fridge. My friend is coming over, so I'm about to get started on some of the stuff here that I'm definitely going to use for my sauteing of my onions. We got some garlic. All right, y'all, I'm back. My bestie just finally made it. We finna make us, make us some drinks before I start start this food. This is my best friend Tammy. Say hey, y'all.
Hey. Finally.
This is gonna be so good. All right, y'all, that is dinner. Look at that. Let me see how that look. Oh, that looks so good. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it, and that notification. Thank you.